America is destined for better deeds. It is our unparalleled glory that we have no reminiscences of battlefields, but in defense of humanity, of the oppressed of all nations, of the rights of conscience, the rights of personal enfranchisement. Our annals describe no scenes of horrid carnage where men were led on by hundreds of thousands to slay one another. Nor have the American people ever suffered themselves to be led on by wicked ambition to spread desolation far and wide that a human being might be placed on a seat of supremacy. We are the nation of human progress, and who will, what can, set limits to our onward march.
Birdcage blue and yellow, candles warm and windows black, tracing